Add oranges to boiling water, and you will be surprised by the result. Start by grating 5 oranges. Grate them to the point that the thick part of the peel is removed, just like I'm doing. Then, set the oranges aside. Transfer the zest to a tray lined with parchment paper, and let it dry for about 4 hours. Take the oranges that we grated, put them in a large saucepan filled with boiling water, and let them cook for 3 minutes. After this time has passed, drain all the water. Transfer everything to a large bowl. Add some cold water and let them soak for 24 hours. Make sure to change this water 5 to 6 times during this period. After that, cut all the oranges. Cut them in half, remove the core, cut them into thin strips, then into smaller pieces. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Next, transfer half of them to a large saucepan. Add 250 grams of granulated sugar, the other half of the oranges, another 250 grams of granulated sugar. Cover the pan and let everything soak for 6 hours. After this time has passed, turn on the heat to medium and let it all cook until the oranges have reduced. This step takes an average of 40 minutes. Mix a few times during this process. When it reaches this consistency, add the juice of 1 lemon and cook for another 5 minutes. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. This is the right consistency. Remove from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. When that happens, transfer all the marmalade to mason jars with lids and store them in the fridge. This dessert should last an average of 30 days if stored in the refrigerator, but make sure you check it before consuming it. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. When it's cold, serve with the zest that we left to dry. That recipe is ready. You may now enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.